Few creatures would dare confront a proud lioness. But few creatures are as bold as a pack of hyenas. This kind of fight has rarely been filmed. Like a humble house cat, the lioness takes refuge in a tree. Proof that a whole pack trumps one queen.